channel. Yeah, we are now on the M50. We are on the way to some Circle K on M7 to meet with some people. And yes, today we have CARMEET in AT. Should be fine over there. I don't know what car is there. I don't know what car escape over there. I don't know nothing yet, but it should be nice. Should be nice. And yeah, and I give you some shot from the road now, and yeah, and enjoy. Hello guys, welcome back, and we came with a new update. We just meet with some guys. I think we are 5-6 cars, a Golf, a Ford ST, and Volkswagen Scirocco, and A4 I think there is. They are behind us, and now we're just driving over there to Ati at that CARMEET, and it should be nice. Hope so. It should be nice, and yeah, enjoy, and see you with next update. I'll come back, sure. Peace. Hello guys, welcome back with new updates, and we are finished here. It was nice, very nice, too nice actually. And yes, there was lots of cars, yeah, drift cars. I dropped some video for you. I think you saw already that drifting on real. It's more better, and yeah, I hope to enjoy this video. For us, we was in real. It was nice, and I don't know for you how you feeling, or how you, doesn't matter. And yeah, if you like it, just drop one like or some for me. It will helping me with that. If not, dislike, doesn't matter. Up to you, your choice. And yeah, just if you didn't subscribe yet, just hit the button, subscribe button, and follow me if you want to watch more video. We will start to speak in English. I think it's better for you guys, and better for me, because I try to learn better and better day by day, because I live in Ireland and I have to speak English. And anyway, it's good for me, good for you. And yes, I hope to enjoy this video, and see you next time. Peace.